If you want to send an Instagram voice message using a realistic girl voice, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're doing it for fun, creating content, or just want to prank your friends, this method is quick and works in just a few minutes. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is download a voice changer app. There are several available, but one of the easiest to use is Voice AI. Once you've installed the app, open it and browse through the available AI voice models. You'll find a variety of female voice options. Listen to the voice previews until you find one that sounds the way you want. After selecting your preferred voice, tap the record button and record the message you want to send. Speak clearly and try to minimize background noise for the best results. AI voice changers usually produce much more natural results when your recording is clean. Once you've finished recording, let the app process your voice. In just a few seconds, you'll hear your voice transformed into the selected female voice. If you're happy with the result, save or export the audio to your device. Now open Instagram and go to the chat where you want to send the voice message. Since Instagram doesn't currently let you directly import audio into the voice message feature, you'll need to play the converted audio through another device or use it in a creative way, depending on your setup. If your goal is simply to share the recording, you can also send the exported audio file directly in the chat, if that option is available. If the voice doesn't sound natural enough, try speaking more slowly, recording in a quieter environment, or choosing a different AI voice model. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips